Recently I finished this playhouse and I thought just to finish it off I'd try to make a sign for the front of it just to take up some of the room on that top arch bit. My scrap bin's currently getting, well, scrappy. There's hardly anything of a decent size left in at the moment, but I did manage to find an old skateboard and I thought if I took the wheels off, give it a sand down, let's see if I could make this into a sign. Top of this skateboard used to have one of those black grip pads on it, presumably so kids don't fall off of it. That had mostly peeled off, so before I started I just took the last bit of that off because it looked horrific. Now all I'm going to do, a little bit of 80 grit, due to the curves in all of the areas. I'm just going to do this one by hand. It's largely smooth, it doesn't need much work on it. Then going to go up to 180 grit. So looking at the sign now, all we're going to do is place these printed words on, get them quite where I like them, and then I'm just going to glue them down, let it dry, and come back and free carve with the router. What's the worst that could happen, eh? So I've moved outside to the barbecue area because this will make it a little bit easier moving forward. Clamp my skateboard down to the top, got my router, got a nice rounded bit in there, everything stuck down nicely. Let's see if I can carve this out and make it look half decent. Now that we've got the black in, just give it a sand down just to take it off of the flat pieces again. It's gone a bit dull, I've wiped off all the excess dust, and moving forward we just need to put the cream colour on and then give it another wipe down. Let's see how it goes. We're on the home straight now. Just going to put some clear varnish on this just to give it protection with it being outside in the rain. Now that's finished, we've got the gloss on. The black's certainly come back to life. Butterflies looking good. All completed with the quality control dog. Too shy for camera, just making sure that everything's been done right.